Hey guys, this is Franco. As you can see, we're going to work with our programming language and its development environment, RStudio. On today's video, I'll show you how to import data from an Excel file right into RStudio. Next, we're going to import data from a CSV file right into RStudio. All this by using the built-in tool that RStudio provides to import data from different sources. And next, we're gonna write down some script on our programming language. We'll be using two packages. readxl, this package in particular, allow us to import data from Excel files right into RStudio. And finally, we'll be using readr. This package allow us to import data from text files, from CSV files right into RStudio. On my right side, on the packages tab, we already installed those packages, readr and readxl. Before we get started, I'll show you, I want to show you the files we're going to work on. The first one, this one right here, is a simple structure, 2 columns, name and code. Is a list of countries, 60 records. 60 records is a really small set of data, but really useful to prove our point on importing data from different sources, in this case from an Excel file. The next one, the next file, the CSV file, it's the same structure, but we're talking about a CSV file. It's separated by a semicolon. Before we go right back to RStudio, let's close this file so we don't have any trouble when we start importing the data from those sources, from those files. Okay, we go right to the menu bar. Click on File, and we go right here, Import Dataset from Excel. Click on it, right here. This window will show up, is the Import Excel Data, and we go right to this button, Browse. And we go right here, this one. The RStudio Lab. The Microsoft Excel worksheet, list countries 001, click on Open. It's retrieving preview data. It's taking a couple of seconds, and that's it. The same structure we just saw on the Excel file, name and column and the list of countries. Down below, we can see the name of the Excel file and some code, some preview code RStudio is gonna run through this window. Click on Import, and that's it. We already got the Excel file right into RStudio. Really simple. Let's do the same. Menu bar, File, Import Dataset, but this time let's do the same, but for the CSV files. This one, from text, readr. Click on it. The same window, but this is import text data. Click on Browse button. Go right here, RStudio Lab, and shows the second one. List countries 002 is a CSV file, comma separated values file. Click on Open. It's taking a couple of seconds to retrieve and preview data. And as you can see, there's something wrong with the data, right? We have to go right here and on the delimiter section, choose semicolon. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to show the data correctly. All right, that's it. Name and code. It's a semicolon, it's a CSV file separated by a semicolon. Click on Import, and that's it. We already imported the data from the CSV files correctly. We got the we got the data from the Excel file, and we got the data from the CSV file. All this by using the built-in tool that RStudio provides. Now let's clean the console and go right to the code, the R programming language code we're gonna use here. We're gonna run it the R programming language command library to activate the readxl package. Click on run. It's already activated the package. Go right here to this line. We already set this object dataset 01, and we're gonna run this line here. As you can see, this is the directory path of the Excel file, and we're gonna run this command readxl. Okay, here we go. Click on run. We already create the object, and all this line go right to the object, the dataset 01 object. And now let's check it out by using the command view. I want to view all the data on this object, on the dataset 01 object. Click on run, and that's it. We imported by using a script, our programming language script. Let's do the same. Let's do the same for the CSV files. But this is a little bit different, right? Let's load up. Let's activate the package, the readr package, right? But this time it's kind of different. We're working with that CSV files, a semicolon separated, right? So we have to use this one, the read CSV2 for working with a CSV file, and we have to set the columns name and code. If we don't do this, we're gonna get some error. We have to set the columns name. All right, let's do this. Run it. All right, and finally, let's gonna check out the data that it's been sent to the dataset 01 object. Click on run, and that's it. We already import the data by using the built-in tools in RStudio and by using a R programming language script. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your questions, doubts, down below on the comment section. Thanks.